Michaela from Western High School asks, how can AI enhance the learning experience for students and support success?
I think AI can enhance learning experiences for students because it provides a 24-hour tutor, essentially. It could provide opportunities for students to ask questions on their own timeline. Not all the learning happens from 8:30 to 3:17. So if they are working on something outside of school, it could give them an opportunity to have some help to enhance their learning or maybe clarify directions of a specific task or prompt that they're being asked to assess.
Carlos from Western High School asks, what are the practical applications of AI in education that I can use as a student, and how can it support both students and teachers?
Okay, so practical applications of AI for students. I would encourage students to use AI to further their learning rather than replace their learning. So what I mean by that is, instead of asking an AI tutor or something like ChatGPT just for the answer to a question, ask how to better understand the question so that you can answer it yourself. We don't want AI to replace your thoughts. We want to hear your thoughts. Your thoughts and your voice are important. So keep your voice. Don't give that away to AI. I think a practical way to use it is to generate your own response and then ask for feedback on that response. Unfortunately, we have a lot of students all day, so we can't provide feedback to every kid every day. But that's a way that AI can help us to provide feedback to students when we're not available. I think a practical way for teachers to use AI is to free up some of our time. So ask AI to put your rubric into a table format to make it easier for kids to understand it. Less time for us trying to fix all the design elements of that, and it's just done. Another way is I can tell AI, this is a prompt I'm working on with my students. We're creating thesis statements. Give me 5 thesis statements that are bad for this prompt. And then as a class, we can go through those. Okay, would this thesis earn a point? Yes or no? If the answer is no, then let's make it better. How can we improve on this thesis? So I don't have to spend the time generating those kind of examples. It's very quick. It's just a quick return. And then that frees up time for me to do something else that hopefully is interacting with kids rather than the kids waiting for me because I'm still trying to do something else.
Anna from Magnolia High School mentions the confusion between educators who choose to allow or not allow AI in the classroom. What are the potential challenges and ethical considerations of integrating AI into education?
Okay, so implications for AI in the classroom, I think we're still learning that. So it's not really like a done deal. I think using AI in the classroom, I'm afraid of saying, no, don't use it, because I think it's going to be used, right? So as educators, it's our responsibility to teach students how to use it that's going to benefit them. If we ignore the topic and we say we're never going to use it, we're not teaching them how to be responsible users of AI. So co-creating expectations in the classroom of when is it acceptable to use AI, when is it not acceptable to use AI, and then how to use AI will hopefully create a learning environment where everyone's kind of on the same page, and it allows students to experiment with AI and test out the limits of AI in a safe learning environment.